Hi, hello everyone. So if you want to find your log files, so if you have a crash or any problem with Coollab, uh, you can send us the log files, which will help us investigate your problem. So to find it, just in commands, and you can reveal Coollab logs. There's also some logs for the launcher, but yeah, hopefully the launcher won't crash. So most of the time, I think it will be Coollab logs that you'll need. Both are in the same folder anyways, but so you get Coollab logs Coollab. This is the one we're interested in. Launcher, if you have a problem with the launcher, but just copy this file and send it to us, and that's basically it. A few things to know. Maybe you want to check in the log file if there's any info that you're not comfortable sharing. So, for example, if you're exporting an image, the name of the image might be in here, and maybe you don't want to share it for some reason. So you can just replace information that you're not interested in with like just whatever. Just let us know that there was something here, but you can remove it if you don't want to share it with us. Yeah, that's basically it.